guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing a vacuum which I've not really seen much of before. Before we do that, we'll just cut the address off the side of the box, like that. The job that was at the back. So I bought this off eBay, it was quite cheap. I'm not sure how I'm going to get into it. I think it might be this way, like that, that's it, yeah, it should be. And these boxes are open from the top. No, it isn't. I'm not sure how you get into this one. That's it, like that. I don't know how you get into this, I think, or do I? This is weird. Hang on. Like this. I think, maybe. I'm not too sure. This is weird. How do you get into this one then? Right, we'll just let the box. Why not? So, that's the right way up. And yeah, here is the machine. It is a Taski bora 12, I think. So, yeah, it's quite a cool vacuum. Not really seen these before. I've seen them online. But yeah, I thought I'd grab it. But yeah, it is quite big actually. But yeah, it looks quite cool actually. So you've got the one off on the top. Hopefully it's got a cable with it. I said it had a hose. I mean, it's pretty clean. Looks to be used commercially. And yep, we have, oh, that's very nice. We have a brand new bag. We have the vacuum hose, which is quite nice. They look, I don't know whether this is 38mm, but yeah, the seller has included, now this is something I thought I would have to try and source myself, but this looks to be, oh no, it isn't brand new, but it looks to be the original purple. Orange. Now it's not brand new, but yeah, quite happy to get that. But that is in very good condition. I'm not sure, I don't know, these are not 32mm tools on these. And then we have the cable in here as well. It's again in very good condition. There we go. So it looks like it will take HEPA flows. I mean, this doesn't even fit on the tub, on the bag inlet, so it will just stay as it is for now. But yeah, it's the same kind of thing as the wet and dry one that they do. But yeah, this is quite a cool vacuum. Let me test this with a Henry tube. I don't think this is 32mm. No, it's not. It may be 38mm. But yeah, this is quite cool. This there's the cuff, of course. It's like a fixed cuff. Hose swivels in the cleaner, and then we have the cable, which is a plugged type thing on here, like so. So yeah, there's the cable. Looks in fairly good condition. It's a used cable as well. But yeah, this cost me about £34. And it's in pretty good condition. The seller did have another one. There you go. We've got the little socket things. The cable just pushes in like that. Yeah, this looks quite cool. I do like my commercial vacs. So there. The kind of thingy goes in here. You could probably hardwire this as well, by the looks of things. Hang on, how does this go? this. Right, so the cable looks in pretty good condition. There we go. It just stops that thing from pulling out. So I should put a bit more slack on that. There we go. So there's the cable. Yeah, it's quite a bit cleaner, but it looks quite cool though. Right, so let's just plug it in. Just check the plug for damage. No, there's no damage. Quite quiet. But yeah, I mean, yeah, that is quite a good cleaner, that. Quite like that. That is very cool. Very cool looking machine. Shame I couldn't get a power head for this, you know. But yeah, it's pretty clean for the machine. This looks to be possibly, yeah, that twists around and that comes out like that, so you can clean it. But yeah, that looks like it'll take a HEPA flow on that, so that's good. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. I'm not sure the size of the diameter of the tubes on it, but, you know, this filter's been put in wrong. Should be the blue side up, like so. That's it. But yeah, this is very cool. This is. So that just goes on there like that. But yeah, it is quite a wide cleaner. But yeah, I quite like the look of that. It's a very cool machine. So there we go. There is the Taski Bora 12. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.